Okay everybody, I haven't done an update on my garden for a while. Here we go. We got a Rutgers tomato plant for larger tomatoes, and I got another cherry tomato plant coming in here, and they're really thriving really good, as you can see. Alright, over here I have my radishes are coming up like crazy, so I'll have some of those pretty soon. My cucumbers, put them in the cage, make them grow up instead of out and across the ground. And right in here, I don't know if you can really see them or not, there are some peppers, I mean some not peppers, but some onions starting to come up. My first original cherry tomato plant is doing really well. You can look at it, and you can see in here there are all kinds of tomatoes coming on, everywhere. You look back in here. I don't know if you can see those or not, but we'll go around to the other side. There we go. This looks like a little better view here, where you can see them. Let's see if we get a little closer here. Oh yeah. There you go. Might be a little fuzzy. We got a whole lot of... Okay, this camera stopped recording for a minute. Here we're back. Alright, here's my other cucumber plant. I had it in with the other one, but the sunlight was being blocked by the other larger plant, so I transplanted it into here. And I'm going to stick a tomato cage in here to make this one grow straight up also. If you look, my peppers, we've got little, if I get my finger there, we got little flowers coming on, peppers are coming on, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower. We got several plants that are coming on pretty good. We're going to see where we go from there. So there's a good sized tomato right in there. So these should be turning red pretty soon, within the next few days. Alright, got them way up at the top too, if you look up here. Alright, but that's progress so far. And yep, we'll let you know how things are going. I'll put another update on here a little bit quicker this time. I'm not gonna wait so long for the next update. But let's get an end view here, shooting down the line here. Everything's starting to come really well. I'll probably be putting in another bed. And take a look over here. I purchased 3 of these things. This is a pest chaser. It's an ultrasonic pest chaser. I don't know if you heard that or not, but it emits a little sound that drives pests away, like groundhogs, rabbits. It's totally safe for your pets, so they say. See if we... There you go. There's the sounds again. So, yeah. I got 3 of those. I got that one planted there. I got another one planted over at the edge of my yard. And I got to put the third one, find a place for the third one yet. They're all solar, so you got solar panels on it. You don't have to worry about wiring or anything like that. So, yeah, that's my progress so far. And I'll get back with you later.